Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150, specifically where the sunroof, moonroof fuse is located. You guys have two different fuse boxes on your truck. One is under the hood, and if you open it, it will look just like that. Check this thing out. You have Ford specific relays, fuses, different kinds of fuses that could be hard to find, expensive, or impossible to find in small towns. So we'll recommend to keep some spares for peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we'll need to work on today, it's inside your truck on the passenger side in the footwell. If you remove that cover by the kick panel there in the footwell, you will see a fuse box that will look just like that. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuse we need to check here now specifically? You can see this is the fuse box. We're going to zoom in a little bit so you can clearly see, okay, what we have here now. And the first fuse that we will need to check, guys, will be known as fuse number 23. That 10M fuse here we'll need to check for the sunroof. Then we have one more fuse that we'll need to check, so it'll be 24, 5, 6, 7. Fuse number 27 right here, guys. You will need to check that 30M fuse here and that one here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.